Climbing to the top of Heceta Head takes a little bit of effort. And right now I'm in the company of these giant Sitka spruce trees. And I'm gonna film a little bit more of the trip to the top. And as we continue on this journey, take a big deep breath in, big exhale. But I invite you to join me in reflecting on the times in your life when you climb to the top of a proverbial mountain, or maybe you literally climb to the top of a mountain. And what that was like for you. And reflect on how, in that instance, whenever that was, how you were strong like this age-old tree and wise, and that you had resilience, and you had a sense of some kind of purpose or something within you that drove you to keep going up to the top of that mountain. Whether it was a life circumstance that felt really hard, or time you had to stand up and take on courage, and take courage to take action. I invite you to sit with that version of yourself and reflect on that as we continue up this trail, and really zoom into what were the components and what are the components of you? How do you rally to persevere and bring that into this experience?